Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you high temperature processing in subject principles of food preservation lab. Now let in our previous session we will learn about the preservation of food by low temperature. In this session we will study preservation by high temperature. First of all, the time temperature used in heat processing of food depends upon the effects of food on the and the other prospective methods employ. Pasteurization, first technique we will use in high temperature is pressurization. It is a heat treatment that kills part but not all microorganisms present and involves the applications of temperatures below 100 degrees Celsius. The heating may be by means of steam, hot water, dry heat, or electric currents, and the products are cooled immediately after the heat treatment. Milk is usually pasteurized. Pasteurized products are not sterile. They contain vegetative organisms and spores which are still capable of growth. Hence, many pasteurized foods must be stored under refrigeration. Pasteurized milk can be stored for over a week under refrigeration, while pasteurized milk stored at room temperature will spoil within a food. The time temperature combination for milk is pasteurization is 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and 71 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, that is HTST. For ice cream mix, it is LTLT is 71.1 for 30 minutes and HTST is 82.260 for 60 seconds. Next method is blanching. Blanching is a heat treatment like pasteurization. It is done by dipping the products in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes at 180 degree Fahrenheit to 190 degree Fahrenheit, and blanching focuses on deaerating the product and inactivating degradative enzymes before further processing. Blanching is an important step in freezing of food as frozen foods can develop off flavor, vitamin losses, and color changes, while in storage, blanching basically prevents bacterial growth, fixes the natural color of vegetables, holds the color, shrinks the product better for filling the container. Next type is canning. Canning involves the temperature to food that is high enough to destroy essentially all microorganisms present. It also involves airtight sealing in sterilized containers to prevent recontamination. The degree of heat and the length of time of heating vary with the type of food and kinds of microorganisms. Large quantities of food are canned for preservation. In developed countries, canned foods form a major part of the diet of the people. Items often canned are meats and meat products, fruits and vegetables, fish products, soups, etc. The process of canning involves the following steps: receiving, cleaning, grading, and inspecting of raw commodity, blanching to inactivate enzymes, placing in the container with added brine or syrup and deaeration of the product. The next process is exhausting. Exhausting is done to expel the air and gas from the can so that its internal pressure after heating and cooling is the same as the atmospheric pressure. After exhausting, the filled cans are permanently sealed mechanically. The sealed containers are subjected to high temperatures to destroy the most heat resistant organisms. After this, the cans are cooled by water in a cooling canal to about 38 degrees Celsius before storage. The final step is casing and storing the cans. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.